In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use different output devices in UNIFY. Now, firstly, when we refer to output devices, we're just talking about the headphones or speakers that you would like your audio to come out of, not your different output mixes. So to learn more about how to set up different output mixes, check out the link in the description. Okay, to get started, make sure that you have a mic plugged into your computer and assigned to a channel in UNIFY. The way that you can check this is by going to Channel Assignment, and you click and drag your audio device up to this top bar here. As you can see, I'm using the XDM100 with a pair of NTH100s plugged into the headphone output, and UNIFY is recognizing that. So now any audio coming through the mixer will be sent to these headphones, and I can control the level of this using the headphone level control on the XDM100. Now, by default, UNIFY will send the headphone output mix to our headphones. However, we can change which of the different output mixes we are hearing in our headphones using this drop-down menu. Clicking this will allow you to access the same list of outputs as when you click the output mix drop-down up here. Selecting one will change the mix that you are hearing in your headphones. For example, if I wanted to hear the audio mix that is being sent to my Twitch stream, I would select Stream from this menu. Or if I wanted to hear the audio mix that is going to my Discord, I would select Chat from this menu. Remember, selecting an output mix from this menu up here will allow you to adjust the levels for that mix. But selecting an output mix from this menu down here will allow you to hear the levels for that mix. So if you're making adjustments to the levels of an output mix, but you aren't hearing those changes being made in real time, just make sure that you have the correct output mix selected in your headphone selector down here. It's also important to note that if you have multiple microphones connected to UNIFY, these will appear as different headphone outputs, each having a different number that corresponds. So that's this little icon up here. And over here, we have our monitor output selection control. Clicking this will allow us to choose any audio device with speaker outputs as our monitor output. For example, an audio interface like the Rodecaster Pro 2 or the Rode AI1 here. Now, once we have selected our monitor device, we can then select which output mix we want to send to the monitors. This is obviously set to the monitor mix by default, but you can choose any one of those just like you can with your headphones. You can also mute the headphone or monitor outputs by clicking these two icons here. So that's muted and this is unmuted. The same with headphones, that's muted, this is unmuted. And that's how to set up and use output devices in UNIFY. Be sure to check out the links in the description to learn more about how to use the software.